Hi, this is Joe Hoffmaster, and I'm going to demonstrate the standard sound system on a Bennington S. Okay, so this is what comes with the boat. What we're going to do is we're going to first take it through tuner, then we're going to take it to 3 different kinds of music, and we'll describe those 3 to you as we go. Okay, first of all, this is just your standard.
Studies supporting the accuracy of the Exergen Temporal Scanner. Your family deserves the best. The Exergen Temporal Scanner Thermometer. Pick one up at Babies R Us and Toys R Us or other fine retailers today. 15 minutes.
When you take the stereo up to full, it does start to distort a little bit, especially in the low register.
This huge
we just happen to be unfortunate enough at this moment to be picking up a station that's got talk on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and cycle through into the auxiliary. So we're going to start here with an acoustic. Up to 50, so it's on a scale of 1 to 50 in volume. Right now, we're able to play it at about 40 and have the music be pretty clean. Bass doesn't seem to be fuzzing out too much.
Oh man, look at my life. 20% that much to mean that much to you.
My registers are good in separation as good as
look at how the time goes by.
Now we'll take a rock song. Once again, this is with the iPod maxed out and the stereo at 40 out of a possible 50. Finally, we're going to do a hip-hop. Now, the language will get a little bit rough here, but I'm going to try and demonstrate your bass. The hip-hop genre actually will max this bass out about as much as possible.
She take my money when I'm in need. Yes, she's a trifling friend indeed. Oh, she's a gold digger way over town that digs on me.
I'm going to say you're breaking up above about 32, alright? So you can't take it any higher than that.
Get down, girl, go ahead, get down. Get down, girl, go ahead. Cutie the bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I can tell you rock, I can tell by your charm. Bars, girls, you got a flock, I can tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Hey,
it's clean right there at about 29. So you can tell I can still talk a little bit, but it's fairly loud.
Inside Sports. Also today, a look at what might represent the future of crime fighting. Surveillance.
The only other comment I have is that out on the water, the tuner doesn't necessarily work that well. I'm not sure I recommend that you go to Sirius Radio, though, because it's a lot of money for as many times as you'll use it. And it also will go out if you go under a bridge. So I would say, on the balance, take the standard sound system, upgrade to an MP3 port, possibly add the subwoofer if you want to get the low bass. That's Joe Hoffmaster with your Bennington Stereo report. Have a great day.